Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove linked apps from your Google account. So let's get started. Open your Google application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. By opening the Google application on the main page, in the right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click on. And then on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option, Manage your Google account, and click on it. A new page will open where you will look for the security option under your profile picture in the options bar and click on it. Clicking on the security option will also open a drop-down menu where you will look for the option, Your connections to apps and services, and click on it. This is where the incredible magic happens. As you can see, the application has shown you which application you are logged into, and now in order to remove our Google account from the application, select the application and click on it. The application will open the next page where you will go down to the option, Delete all connections you have with, and click on it. After that, all you have to do is confirm by clicking on Confirm. But before you click on the option, we suggest that you read in detail what the application has written to you. And that's it. You have successfully removed the linked app from your Google account. It's a good idea to do this regularly to protect your account and ensure that only apps you trust have access. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.